Oh my gosh.
Why are we're on top of a mountain. Why do you need to disinfect your hands?
It's not about the disinfection, it's about getting rid of the stickiness on the dirt. I really could care less about the disinfection part.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I mean, I touched trees and rocks and I ate my peanut butter sandwich.
Right, but did you eat a pomegranate?
Oh, well, no.
Huh?
All right, so are we trying to go down there?
Dude, your hands look like you just killed somebody.
No? Are we just trying to head back now?
Actually. Well, I mean, not right now, but...
Yo, I guess this is the army knife.
Yeah, with the wine opener.
So I can open your cork after I kill you.
Right.
Open your cork? What? Oh, I think I know where the cork goes.